Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am gonna show you how you can insert image in elements in Canva. First you need to open your Canva project and then on the left panel here you can see elements. Click on this. Now here search for frame. See all. Now here you can see lot of frame. Now select as you want. So now I am gonna choose this. And now go to the uploads and this is my image. Now click it and hold and drag it into frame. Now you can crop this image, just double click. You can change the position and then click on done. So this is how you can insert image in elements in Canva. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.